Last time the captain arrived from Mahalo. Then you did left him and like just died trying to get back home, you know? It's on face. Guys, don't get some good. See, that's the thing. They've got sergeant or staff sergeant. You get sent back to 29 pounds as a conscom. Or if you go to the wrong clinic, you get sent back for microneedling, soldering. So like I can survive in here. Oh no, I was a sergeant. Well, you were there for a year. I would be belligerent enough to get kicked out of somewhere. Someone tried to send me like from Sergeant Bill looks at the door and watching the face on someone. You would see me kicking like a cinder block or something trying to break my leg. Every once in a while, you guys in the station sacrifice success. They cut out their hearts, toss it down the side of the hill. There's a suicide prevention like
I'm recording. I'm recording. Almost. We're flying over 101.
Not joking. I ran with the rocks around the barracks for 6 hours. Because they were like raining. Yeah, so I ran those rocks for the sand. There's no landscape. I don't think for moments there's no real landscape. What did you do? No, nothing. It was just because I was in a holding platoon and we had to clean up. But see, the area that we have to clean up is like so small that like, you know, 1,000 people. We had to sort the rocks by size, and then we painted the unit's logo on the rocks and we made them.
Isn't that pretty?
And so we got right then at one point somebody wrote something pretty much.
Yeah, honey.
We got a brief specifically about not duct taping the mattresses and throwing them off of their deck. we had a kid who made a or something like that. He was just
Oh, I recognize that gas station. Oh, that's the Avaya Stadium.
Decides that he sees his friend down below and he lives on the second deck, so he jumps off the second deck till he jumps off.
Yeah, baby.
Goes and grabs.
Yeah.
I don't know, gets starts talking to his friends the next day.
That's the marker. That's so beautiful.
The same clothes that you were when you jumped off, like the exact same outfit. Yeah. No, not the canvas. But you're wearing the same clothes. You have this.
Aloha, welcome to San Jose, California. The local time here is 9:58
I don't know.
p.m.
Save it.
We'll be taxiing for the next few minutes. For your continued comfort and safety, please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened and keep your carry-on items properly stowed until the captain turns off the fasten seatbelt signs. Before leaving us today, please check the area around your seat and in the overhead compartments for any items that you may have brought with you. Please use caution when accessing the overhead storage bins. Items may have shifted during our flight and may fall if the bins are opened. For those passengers who have requested wheelchair assistance, please remain seated until the main flow of passengers passengers has disembarked the aircraft so that we may better assist you. Here in San Jose, we'll be disembarking using the first door on the left-hand side of the aircraft, the same door that you used to enter the aircraft today. And please watch your step as there is a slight floor level change. Please refrain from smoking until you are within a designated smoking area. If you have gate checked any items, such as a stroller or car seat, please allow our ground staff a few moments to retrieve your articles. You'll find them in the check bridge just outside of the aircraft door.
Mahalo.